It's one of the best book clubs in town, I think is the tagline, and it's always a pleasure to come back and talk to you folks about science, and in particular, today's topic, which is microbiology. And as you can see, I really only did this so I could wear this shirt because I don't get many opportunities to put it on, but we're going to be talking all about microbes, bacteria being the major subset that we discussed today because it was a focal point of Ed Yong's wonderful book, I Contain Multitudes. But as Jahil said, I work on a protozoan parasite, a single-celled parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. Some of you may have heard of this before, and it was featured in the book. I wrote about it in my own book, Pleased to Meet Me. And I've been studying this parasite for over 20 years at the IU School of Medicine and the University of Pennsylvania before that. Why am I so fascinated by this parasite? Well, if you haven't gleaned from the book, about 1 out of 4 people in this room have that parasite in their brain right now, and they don't even know it. It's a very common parasite, affects about 3 billion people in the world. So why haven't most people heard of it? Well, it's a very cryptic and stealthy infection. You don't even know that you're infected unless you're immune compromised, and then it can cause life-threatening situations. It's very common because we can catch it in multiple ways. From our cats is one of the primary routes of infection, but we can also get it from undercooked meats, unwashed vegetables, as well as contaminated water. And in rare circumstances, the parasite can cross the placenta and infect a growing fetus, which can cause devastating birth defects, both physical and cognitive. So my lab is studying this parasite and how it persists in the brain. This is an incurable infection.